My name is Otuo Champon Boachi, the president of a grassroots youth environmental organization called Eco Warriors Movement in Ghana. As we meet in Korea to discuss forestry and sustainability in World Forestry Congress, I would like to share with you a project we are doing in Ghana. The project is dubbed Smart Tree Planting. In this project, we plant trees or create pockets of forest in the urban centers around strategic and specific places such as sanitation-related areas, that is public toilets, and then refuse dams, since these areas are noted for air pollution and then also have a fertile soil. Now, air pollution is known to be the second highest causative disease of death in Ghana, and so we seek to address this one alongside climate action, whilst we again seek to provide habitat for birds who ordinarily would live on treetops, but due to urbanization, their habitats are being lost as we lose the tree cover in town.
Smart Tree Planting is a project that innovatively uses the science behind tree growing to address pressing environmental issues such as climate change, air pollution, food security, and habitat loss, while still ensuring the reversal of tree cover lost in urban centers by creating urban green zones. It is so fascinating how we use digital technology to monitor and account for the trees we plant. We say tree growing and not just tree planting because every single tree we plant in this project is accounted for using our online platform, where we are able to link every tree via its GPS to our platform, and we can comfortably monitor and account for the tree in our offices. So what do we do with our Smart Tree Planting projects? With my fellow Eco Warriors, my group of volunteers I work with, we identify sanitation-related areas, since sanitation-related areas such as refuse dump and public toilets are growing their numbers currently in Ghana. They are becoming an issue of environmental concern. And so, how can we innovatively address the problems and the challenges that come with these sanitation related areas? And that is where our project comes in, where with our Smart Tree Planting project, we plant local indigenous tree species around these areas. The science tells us that these trees will release oxygen, which will refresh the ambient air in these areas and again absorb the odorous compounds that are in these areas. The leaves of these trees also act as dust settlers, where dust particles settle and cleanses the air around these sanitation related areas. Moreover, trees are known to sequester carbon. So as much as we are addressing the issue of air pollution, we are also addressing the issue of climate change. As in this project, the trees will sequester carbon through the scientific process called photosynthesis from the atmosphere. But this is where my motivation for starting this project came from. Growing up as a child, I enjoyed the melodious sounds of birds in my community. The rhymes the birds sang in the morning woke me up as I prepared for school. Again, we could walk around our community and pick mangoes and coconuts without being questioned. These were all part of our lives. It built our socialization as children. But what do we see in urban cities now? Trees are no longer there to serve as habitat for the birds, and so we do not hear the birds sing again. We do not see children going around picking fruit and then balancing their diet with. And so, if you are like me, who really lived your childhood and will want your children to have such wonderful experience, then join me as we grow trees smartly. With this particular project, we are addressing SDG 2, Zero Hunger, SDG 6, Sanitation, SDG 13, Climate Change, and Biodiversity. Welcome to the Climate Smart Tree Planting project. Thank you.